Welcome back. Let's see here. This is an optional video. Don't have to watch this one if you don't want to. You do have to do 8-3-8, the dovetail lap. So we're going to be taking a look at this guy right here. We're going to go ahead and do it. Yeah, use this video if it will help you out. So let's go ahead and get started. Game plan. I'm going to make this big old block right here, make the whole thing. And then I'm going to cut this inside out right here. So let's see here, sketch. And let's do this one on the front plane. Looks good to me. Always start at the origin. There we go. I did something wrong there. Smart dimension, let's see here. The entire length of this thing is 5 3/4. And it looks like the height is going to be 2 3/4. So looks like that's what we want it to be right there. Features to make it 3D. Go ahead and pull it out 1.5. And we are good to go with the block. So won't be too long now. Let's see here, let's do another sketch right on this front right here. I'm going to go with my lines. I'm going to get something roughed in, something close to what we want it to look like. I'm going to make sure it's on the correct lines. I'm not going to make sure like right there, snap it, that's going to be perpendicular. That's a constraint that I don't want. I want to be able to change my angles and stuff like that later on. I also want to make sure that I enclose the shape fully. We don't want any gaps anywhere because that's going to make problems later on. So now we can smart dimension. It looks like down here we need 2 inches. This bottom is 1.75. So from here to, I could go to the point or I could go to the line. Looks like we want 2 inches right there. From this point to that point. Now notice I'm not hitting the lines, I'm hitting the points. Looks like 1.75 inches right there. Okay. It's going to go ahead and do the top as well. 1.38 inches right here. And then 3 inches in between. So from here to there, we want 1.38. And I could do, I'm just going to try this line instead of going point to point. I just want to see what happens when I do the line. 3 inches, bam. Looks pretty good to me. Checking the drawing, it looks good. Alrighty, it's fully enclosed, so we can carve it back. See what we have to get rid of there. So features, cut, because we're taking away material, we're not adding to it. And looks like it's 3/4 of an inch back. So oops, shoot, I closed it. Oh well. 0.75. I don't think that we'll need that picture anymore. Go ahead and cut it in. Boom. 0.75 inches in, and we are good to go. Okay, so that is the other part of the dovetail. Next video, we're going to go ahead and we're going to do our first assembly. We're going to actually put these things together, which is going to be pretty cool. Yeah, have fun. Hope you're having a great day.